Today we are unboxing Insta360 Ace Pro 2 POV Bundle. Action cameras are evolving fast, but Insta360 just raised the bar again. This is the ultimate setup for creators who want to stay hands-free. This package includes POV mount, Insta360 Ace Pro with dual battery and included hardshell case. Let's open Insta360 Ace Pro pack. Right off the bat, the build feels premium. The standout? That Leica Super Summit lens. We're talking K resolution powered by a new dual AI chip system. This isn't just a bump in specs, it's a total brain transplant. The 2.4-inch flip screen is larger and clearer now. For vlogging or tricky POV angles, this is a game changer. Plus, they've added a dedicated wind guard right on the front. If you've ever had a mountain bike run ruined by wind noise, you know how big of a deal this is. Now, let's get into the POV bundle specifics. Inside, we've got the chest strap and the quick release mount. The magic here is the magnetic system. It's incredibly strong. It snaps into place with a satisfying click, but lets you swap from your chest to a helmet or a selfie stick in literally 2 seconds. This case allows you to store not only the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, but also POV mount and other camera's accessories. First impressions? The Ace Pro 2 feels like a professional tool that's been simplified for everyone. The POV bundle gives you everything you need to start shooting immersive stories right out of the box. I'm heading out to put this 8K sensor to the test. Stay tuned for the full review.